You probably heard of React Lodash and Axios, but what about those hidden gems? Here are some lesser known but powerful JavaScript libraries that can level up your next project. Let's dive in. Fabric.js. Fabric.js is a canvas library that can simplify drawing and interacting with shapes. Need to build a custom image editor or interactive diagram? Fabric.js handles it all with ease. Use cases: custom t-shirt designer or whiteboard tool. Meyda.js. Want to analyze audio in real time? Meyda.js gives you access to audio features like pitch, tempo, and MFCCS. Perfect for music visualizer or speech analysis. Use case: real-time voice emotion tracker. And I also made a game using Meyda.js where if you scream or talk, your character will jump. So if you want a video about this, you can comment. Matter.js. This one for game devs. Matter.js is a 2D physics engine that simulates gravity, collisions, and more. Think bouncing balls, falling blocks, or Angry Birds style games. Use cases: puzzle games or simulations. Or you can make a 3D component library too, and I am currently working on a project where I am making 3D components using Matter.js and React. If you want, I can also make a video about this. Compromise. Compromise is an NLP library for the browser. It breaks down English sentences to help you extract meaning like names, dates. Use cases: smart search bar or chatbots, or a sentence analyzer. React speech recognition. Add voice control to your React app easily. This hook lets you start listening, transcribe voice, and even detect commands. Use cases: voice control to-do list. And I use this library on my portfolio website where you can navigate to a page or section using voice commands. Tone.js. Tone.js turns the web into a music studio. You can generate sound and build instrument all in the browser. Use cases: interactive music making web apps. Rough.js. Rough.js renders graphics with a sketchy comic book feel. Use case: educational app, kids game, or portfolio pages. Tweakpane. Tweakpane helps you build developer-friendly control panels, slider, color picker, toggles, all in a sleek UI. Use case: real-time UI testing or game setting. Moveable. Moveable makes elements draggable, resizable, rotatable, and more. Think of giving your devs superpowers. Use case: page builder, design tools, layout editors. ML5.js. ML.js wraps complex model in friendly APIs, from face detection to text generation. Use cases: smart photo filter or AI writing tools. Lottie-web renders beautiful animations exported from After Effects directly in your browser. No heavy video files needed. Use cases: splash screens, empty states, or onboarding flows. Those libraries may not trend on Twitter, but they are hidden power tools for developers. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you love discovering new dev tools, don't forget to subscribe.